guys, welcome back to Just a Mum Winging It. I'm Kayleigh and I am a mum of 3 little monsters. I've been absent for a while, but I am back and I thought tonight we could do a nighttime clean with me. So I have had my hair coloured today, looking loads better, not grey anymore. And yeah, so let's get, as you can see, my kitchen is trashed. So let's get this cleaned up. What are you barking at? What? What are you barking at? Hello? What are you doing? You look like you're smiling. You look like you're smiling. Hey? Oh, hi, Chess.
Pack your bags. I got a one-way ticket to explore the world tonight. I want you back.
YouTube fam, we're back.
Don't look back. I wanna show you the wonders of the universe.
Say hi, YouTube fam,
girl.
we're back.
Take my hand and you will see.
Right, family.
We've got just one life, baby.
Would you say that? Did you
So
say it?
live it up, take it one day at a time. Keep it shining like the stars we see above. I wanted to be here by my side. My tropical love. Sailors, it's just you and I, exploring hidden caves or surfing waves into the night on the beaches of Hawaii. Drinks in Ibiza, anywhere you wanna go, baby, you just let me know. Sunny Indonesia, don't say no. Sipping on tequila, anything you wanna see, be there in a heartbeat. Just say the words and we can go. We've got just one life, baby. So live it up, take it one day at a time. Keep it shining like the stars we see above. I wanted to be here by my side. My tropical playground for the sinners who play as saints. You'd be so proud of what we made. I hope you got some beds around, 'cause you're the only refuge now for every mother, every child, every brother that's caught in the crossfire. Can I trust what I'm given when faith still needs a gun? Whose ammunition justifies the run? And I can't see from the backseat, so I'm asking from above. Can I trust what I'm given, even when it cuts? So heaven, if you sent us down, so we can build a playground for the sinners, for your saints. You'd be so proud of what we made. I hope you got some beds around, 'cause you're the only refuge now for every mother, every child, every
into the halls tidier, guys. I've just got, oh, we've had a bit of a rearrange on here as well, and I've got a new mirror up there as too, and my ginger jars. Absolutely love these. So I've just got some bags down here. So that's just some shoes. In fact, they're all shoes, these ones. So they're all, I'm going to go and take those to the charity shop and donate those, so they're off later. And then the hallway is looking tidier. There's a water bottle there. Look, let's move that and take that in. And then this is the office, which used to be my beauty clinic. But I will do a proper office tour of this room because it needs a proper sort out. I've got lots of stock and stuff down here that all needs sorting out and putting away, but I haven't got any room for it. So yeah, so this is what the office now currently looks like. There's my cricket. So yeah, so let's head into the kitchen. Doesn't stay tidy for long, guys, because look at that. The kids have come along, spilt juice and got the milk out. So before that, it was tidy. Looking much better now. I just need to put the slow cooker away, but I can't reach the cupboard, so that's Mark's job. Here we go, guys.